Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AB Casino. You can also call me More Tips Tech. So on today's videos, guys, we are going to be talking about the For Nigeria Casino, and there's an app I brought to you that gives out sure predictions on Rainbow. Yes, you heard me, Rainbow on 2 plus and 3 plus. But I would ask you to base on 2 plus. Yes. So now this is the app here. You can see it gives out sure predictions, and I've tested it and I have seen that this app is really well organized, and it's ready to give you the best out of the best, right? So now, as it is like this now, you just need to be following the predictions, okay? But as an investor, you don't play all the predictions the app is giving to you. No, you don't do that. All you just need to understand that it's a programming app already. So you do not expect the predictions should be coming out positive every single dose. No, there are sometimes there will be a loss, there are sometimes there are going to be a win. But there is a video I've recorded that will make you knows when to play if the app gives out the signal. Like this now, see red and red came out, fine. But the video tutorial I recorded for this app, it will shows you how you can know if the signal is truly something you can place you know your bet on. But if it is not something you can place your bet on, you will know by yourself. Do you understand? So like this now, so I'm seeing red to comes out. Before I play the red, I'll first of all go and check my Rainbow stats. This time around I will not go to 100 draws, I will go to all time draws. So here now I will scroll to my red options, then I'm going to read the statistics. You need to know how to read the statistics. That's the first thing first you need to know. You see all these things you are seeing here, it reads meaning. It is only if you do not understand it, it reads meaning. So if you can be able to understand what it's telling you, then you can know if the color is dominant enough to produce red at that point. Yes, at that point in time, you will need to know. It will tells you. Do you understand? So before I move further, let's see one or two games and play and see if what we have been discussing since morning is actually true. So now the app is still predicting where to comes out. Normally, if you have a very good app capital, you can just easily trade with what the signal is telling you. Yes, you can easily trade with what the signal is telling you. And once you lost, you can rebet. And I've studied this app, it doesn't go 3 times lost in a row. No, it doesn't do that. The highest I've seen is the fourth times you get back your money. Do you understand? So that's just how it is. So you can see it predicts red and I go for red and the red shows up. It even shows up 3 times. Can you see? It shows up 3 times. So all you just need to understand about this app is it's ready to give you results every single draws, but you need to know how to know when to play that game. So now it's still giving me red. So now what I have to do is I'll still go to my rainbow and go to my old time and check if there's a changes and to see if it is still accurate. So what I'm seeing here, I'll still go for the red. I'll still go for the red. Yes, I'll still go for the red. So once you can be able to know how to read the frequency, my brother, you have no problem with the app. You'll just be getting money every single time. Every single minute your money will be coming up. You can see there's another red showing up. So that is just how it works, guys. Very easy and sharp. So if you want to use it for 3 plus, there's a way I'm going to let you know when to play it, because 3 plus also has the way of the video, the strategy has a way to maneuver with it. So if you want to go with 3 plus, there's a video on it. If you want to go with 2 plus, there's a video on it. But my best option is you base on 2 plus. Yes, I will tell you vividly based on 2 plus. Right, so that's just it. So now the app is still saying red. You can see it's still not changing the color because the red is being dominant at the moment. That's why it just keep on being red. But it is now left to you as an investor to know if that red is sure enough for you to place your bet on. You don't just start going for red every single time. No. No, no, you wouldn't want to lose your money. No. But once you know when to strike on red, when to strike on blue, when to strike on green, whenever the app tells you to play it, then you will know that you will see that every single time you are placing your bet, you'll be getting your reward immediately. Right. So let me just place my bet on the last one while I just leave the rest. So now the app is still telling me red. So all I have to do is go to my frequency, then read it again. All right, still the same. So I'm going to go for it this time around again. So this will be my last game. So whatever result I get, then you get to see it now. So let's see where it is coming out. One, mean one. Okay, we lost on this one. No problem. So all I have to do is I calm down and double up my stake. Then I need to confirm again. You can see the app is still showing red. So all I have to do is I will go back to my frequency table. Then I go to my all times and I will check again, guys. I'll check. Let me see. All right, I'm still going to go for red because the red is still dominant and it's still telling me to play the red. So let me just play 3,000 on red. So I expected red to comes out this time around. So just watch, guys. Very easy and sharp. Boom. Can you see we have our red? Very easy and sharp. So if you would like to get this, or if you like to know more about this app, or you want me to enlighten you more about this app, you can reach out to me. I will I will take my time. I would discuss how it works more better and how you can get you know the app to yourself and the video also. So that's just that about this tutorial. So see you guys on my next video, and do well and have a wonderful day and a week and a blessed month ahead. Stay blessed. Peace out. One love.